Ladies and gentlemen, today is February 27th, 2012. We are here in the Ramapo Mountains in Bergen County, New Jersey. And today we are trying to get some native brook trout, which I think is probably one of the prettiest fish that swims. It's about mid to high 40s right now, expected to get up into the 50s today. Water is crystal clear. Conditions are pretty good. So let's see if we can't get one, or two, or more should we be so lucky. Alright, first cast of the day. I just had a hit. Had a hit on my first cast. There he is. Oh, he's off. Oh, goodness. Perfect. And nothing. Dadgummit. What about in here? Let me just drop this down here and see if there's anybody home. There he is! Oh, would you look at that? I wasn't even trying. Look at that. Now you might ask me, why would I work so hard for such little fish? Look at that. Look at the colors on that fish. Absolutely one of the most gorgeous fish you'll ever see. Right there. Native New Jersey brook trout. Does not get any nicer than that. Alright, buddy. Let's get that hook out of your face and let you go. There you go, buddy boy. And thank you. About freaking time. I've been working this stream for 4 hours. That felt good. That felt really good.